Here's how to delete contacts in Gmail. On the right hand side, you're going to see this little people icon. Click on that. And then what I would recommend, even if you see some contacts here, is to open in a new tab, which will actually just take you to contacts.google.com, which will open up your contacts for your Gmail account. In here, you could see tons of people, and you can actually just highlight or check mark one of the contacts. And from there, on the right hand side, there's 3 dots that give you more actions like deleting a contact. So we could quickly just delete the contact and move that contact to the trash. Now, it will be permanently deleted after 30 days. On the left hand side, there's still this trash can right here. And so you can click into there and you can actually highlight this again or just empty the trash right now to completely delete or permanently delete the contact. They might still show up for different things. So I would recommend doing this after you delete that contact. That way you won't see them maybe pop up in your emails and things like that anymore. So if you need to delete a contact, you can easily do that here at contacts.google.com and delete your Gmail contacts.